Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at top 5 cryptocurrency coin that you can buy and possibly make irrational profit from them. We're going to look at them bit by bit, one after the other, and I really need you to stick to the end of this very video so that by the end of this very video you will be able to understand and also know and also be able to pick the particular cryptocurrency you're going to invest on and make a rational profit for yourself. And my advice always is that when you see profit, cash it out. Okay? When you see profit, cash it out so that you will not lost your profit and also lost part of your capital. And on that occasion, you will have to wait for a long time. So follow me up. Before I dive into this fully, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do what to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. All right. One of the first thing I need you to look at is this BTC, Bitcoin. In the past few days, Bitcoin has a total market cap of 444.69 million, which was a very good one. And again, it's having a high leverage of times 10. It means a lot of people are investing in this particular cryptocurrency coin to pump it up. Now let's look at it. What exactly is its current price? Here. Okay. And the total market cap? Here. And the leverage here, which is 10. Let's quickly go into this and see. You can actually see this particular coin that for the past few days it has dropped actually from over 120 to 109. You can look at this. Clicking on the 4 hours also to see since when it has been declining. All right. So to back it up, you can also go to the coin market cap for you to check what is it currently and what will be the fate of this particular BTC coin. All right, let's go there quickly. So on the coin market cap, you can see what is it. Clicking on it, see how it was and how it has been doing. Don't forget that this particular currency coin remains also the first cryptocurrency coin. It's ranking 1 always because it's above all those coins. Rolling down, you can see it low for the past 24 hours and also it high for the past 24 hours. You can see the low and high. Okay, you can see the low and high. This is the high and this is a low. Okay, so the difference is not much, and you can see it's 24 hours volume, 27 billion. Its circulating is this. Okay, its max supply is this. Its all-time high is this. You can see where it has been dropping from, and also look at its rank. It's ranking 1 in the whole crypto industry. Its all-time low was this. Imagine you got it when it was this. Okay, it was launched at a very low rate and today is actually doing well. Going down, actually you can see where you can trade some of this cryptocurrency coin. You can trade this BTC, you can trade it on Binance, you can trade it on Bybit, you can trade it also on Budget, and you can see their yield, total yield. Okay, you can see what is community sentiment. I think the bullish is over 80% and the bearish is just 18. I think this is the time to buy. Buying it now will make you a rational profit. We're doing this as at September 28th. Okay, and what is the community talking about? Look at it for yourself to avoid this very video too long. All right, so the second one we're going to look at it is Ethereum. Did you know why I'm talking about this? I will be talking about this Ethereum. Ethereum is a very good coin. See, in fact, I want to advise you to keep investing in this Ethereum. Okay, invest in Ethereum patiently. You mean I say patiently, so that in the nearest time, Ethereum will be able to make you a very high volume. You can see it low for it high, low, and also it 24 hours turnover right here in this place that I cycled. This is current price. Okay, you can see that it tried doing well. Going to the market cap. Let's see what it holds. Okay, Ethereum is the second cryptocurrency coin next to BTC. Coming to this place, you can see how it has been doing. You can see 24 hours movement. You can also see its high and low, and you also know that it's ranking second. Its all-time high was this. Its all-time also low was this. Okay, you can compare here, you can convert, and you can also look about. Its community sentiment still over 82, and also the bullish over 80, and the bearish just 18. This is to show you that those coins are actually coins that are planning to do well in this next week maximum. You're going to cash out a lot. All you just need to do is to invest wisely, and also do not invest more than you can afford to lose. All right, look at its community to see what exactly is going on there. Okay, Ethereum co-founder Jeffrey Wiki just transferred 6 million into ETH. Okay, so this will give you a lot of insight about this particular coin. All right, so that is it. So the third coin I'm going to mention here is SOL. We also what it does in the past few days. Okay, it really do a good job. Okay, so the SOL against USDT fell from over 240 something to 202. So the question is, will it still be a good coin to invest on after falling from over 240? Okay, and also it has also risen from 150 to also this point. So our question here is, will it return to where it was? You can see it moves from over 145 to 242 in the past days, and now it's currently reading 202 in the crypto industry market. So the question is, will it still come up, or will it still be a good coin to invest on? Let's look at that at CoinMarketCap. This is the SOL at CoinMarketCap. You can see its SOL with a total low of 199 today and a total high of 205. Those coins are actually dangling. And what will be their fate? You can see its yield here on Binance, its yield on Bybit, and also its yield on Bidget. This shows that these three cryptocurrency app or exchange are the highest top for now. You can see it bullish is over 85, it's over 82, it's still over 80, yeah. And also it bearish is just 15%. Okay, this is a sign that you should invest. Okay, you should invest. and you definitely get a reasonable yield in the few time to come. All right. So how many have I mentioned? Hmm? I've mentioned actually I've mentioned three: BTC, ETH, and SOL. Okay. So I'm currently left with two. I'm currently left with two. So the third one I want you to look at is ASRR. ASR. Okay. This ASRR, I actually found out about it a couple of minutes ago. All right. You can look for it carefully, and you will see it. But I actually want to look at it from Coin Market Cap so that I can see the total details about it. This is the SRR. Okay, this is where it is currently. I've already also invested 50 USD on this. Click on sell. You'll be able to see what I've invested. Click on sell. You can see I've already invested 50 USD here, hoping to see what it will become in the nearest time. Luckily enough, by God's willing, it may go over times two. Because looking at this very particular coin from when it was launched back in May, it has never taken any significant move. Of which in this time, I am strongly hoping that it will take a very significant move in the nearest time. Okay, so let me look at it from CoinMarketCap. You can see this is the answer from CoinMarketCap. Okay, there is a lot of signs here that this particular coin might take a next move. Looking at its total low, 0.682, you can see here. You can see its high, 0.7345 in the past 24 hours. Its market cap was also reasonable, over 1 million. It fully disputed, over 6 million. Its volume is this. Circulating supply is this. The maximum supply is this. And in ranking 2183 in the whole cryptocurrency market. Okay, its all-time low was also this. Wow. It means it has reached its all-time low because this is current price in the market. Okay, so where does it yield? It yield 260% on KuCoin. Okay, looking at its community, over 90 bearish, over 90 bullish, sorry, and the bearish is just 8%. Okay, let's look at some of those reviews. I wonder if the team will remain silent until the final collapse of their project. Okay. Alert. BTC and crypto just lost all September gains. Wow. So on all of this, you can look at all those cryptocurrency coin to see what exactly will become of them in the nearest time. Okay. So this is the fourth one. And the fifth one will shock you. The fifth one is a SAT baby cryptocurrency coin. And this SAT is a BTC baby. Let's look at the SAT. Okay. This is the SAT. This is the SAT. And what is the SAT doing? And what is the SAT thinking of becoming? You can see it. Okay. These are coins that have actually done well in the past. They have actually done really well in the past. But now it has been down. And this coin was launched 2024, January 8th. Okay, so let's look at the charts from the view of what is it called? From the view of CoinMarketCap. So looking at the charts, you can see it here, and also look at it carefully on your own to see where actually this chart can be traded, and also see its sentiment. Its community sentiment is really reasonable because it's showing fully bullish. Okay, so all you just need to do is to watch carefully, do your own reasonable research, and make your investments, okay, with a reasonable amount of your USD. Do not invest more than you can lose. Invest a little and see what will become of it in the nearest time. So if you do find value from this very video, do not forget, like, subscribe, and also share, so that this particular video can get to a lot of people and they will be able to make a reasonable volume from it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.